Hey Mr. Saunders, this is Salee Starbuck over at Toyota of Melbourne. I just received your KBB Instant Cash offer on your FJ Cruiser. Just wanted to introduce myself and just let you know that I'm here for you. Depending on what kind of vehicle you're interested in, we totally have all kinds of vehicles pre-owned and new. Right behind me here are some of my brand new sedans. I also have trucks and SUVs as well. 4Runners, Tundras, Tacomas, and then I have a pre-owned selection too. So just depending on what you're looking for, we're located right here on US 1, right in between the two causeways, right in between the 192 and Ugali Causeway. Please let me know if there's anything that I can help you out with. My number is 321-254-8888 and my extension is 349. Hope you enjoyed this quick video and I look forward to helping you out with your purchase.